Well, this is an extra little treat. I am walking in Barangay. Bless you. My beautiful niece. Look at her. Ooh, gorgeous. I'm going to check out. It's election time here, so there's some politicians here giving out a few things to the residents. So along with my beautiful friends. All right, we can go. Let's go. And don't mind me. As you see, there's a lot of people here. The barangay never had so many people. But all the politicians, I hear the governor's here, the mayor is here, and probably lots of other people are here. So, hello fellas. Good evening. And normally they give out a lot of presents to like their supporters. Yes, for their support, and I think it's at the school. So there's a speech going on now. This is our, bless you, this is our barangay hall here in Gomez, and all the lovely people. Bless you, bless you. So catch up with my crew. Good evening. And they're waiting on me. So it's the first time I've seen one of these, so. Doing a speech now? Okay. There's my cute little friend. Bless you. Been a long time. Whoa. All right. So then, needless to say, all of my relatives will be here. So bless you. So not going to interrupt the speeches, but hey, bless you.
How respectful they are.
Huh?
The rest that will be given to the people.
I'm sorry. They all want to be on video, so.
Speak in English, so the people understand. Speak in English.
This is my Mare Lucy. She's very good. What?
Where's my name?
They're talking. So now I'm getting surrounded by kids. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get in, because I have to get away from them. So I'm gonna do a quick pause.
Number 4, kaibigan at kakuya at Emilio, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Sa ating pong mamusyal ng barangay Gomez, hindi na po kayo magandang hapon po sa inyo. Sa ating pong mamusyal dyan, po sa Putara at Kumpulisi, ano po kayo sa inyo? Magandang hapon po sa inyo.
So now I did manage to get rid of some of the children. You can see all the out a little bit. So they're going to give out all of this rice you see here in front of you to everybody here around, probably in, I don't know, Santa Rosa maybe. We'll see. So stay tuned for more. So I just stepped out a little bit just to say one thing, how this goes. There's a guy passing out tickets to, I guess, all of their constituents, as you would call them. And so everybody would get a sack of that rice that's in front of me. Of course, I'm not going to take one. Even if I did get one, I would probably, more than likely, and I'm pretty sure I would, just give it away to somebody that really, really needs it. And that's a big help. They do it every now and then. Whenever the governor is around, would come here and give everybody a nice little gift. So that's not bad. So right now all the speeches are going on. Because you know it's pretty much a political rally. So for me, being a foreigner, it is advised not to get involved. So we'll leave it at that. There's our first Apo and his darling little son. So I'm going to take a little break until something happens. Well, I think I'm going to wrap this up. It's taken quite a long time, but it's always that way when there are political speeches. But let me stop because there's too many kids around me. Well, that's taking quite a while, so I'm going home. It seems like maybe there are some awards there given out. And he's all the way up on number 48, so there's a lot of people here. Check it out. Then you have this huge truck full of rice. That's a lot. Hi, fella. So, and you look up and down the street, there is a lot of people. It would be very hard going somewhere right now. And you have to watch yourself. A lot of cars. Hey! Another one of my lovely nieces. So everybody has to stay home today. Good evening. How are you? Been a long time. Long time. All right, so we making our way back. I would have liked to stay there, but it's a lot of politicians and they're making a lot of long speeches, as politicians do. So that was interesting. So I'm headed home empty-handed, and hope this was a little bit interesting for everybody. The village population just grew, I don't know, 100 times. You have to keep looking back to make sure you don't get run over. So I'm gonna make my way on. Good evening. I'm gonna make my way on back home, and go have a little refreshment. The gentlemen there sitting out enjoying themselves. Lots of traffic, lots of tricycles, motorbikes, whatnot. It's the way it is. So Made it back to the OK Corral, safe and sound. Back home again. And wonderful niece is helping us clean the house, so I got to get home just to let her go. So we will end this saying thank you for joining me for sorts of a political rally. Of course, I don't know a whole lot about it. I don't get involved in Philippine politics, but it's close to election times and politicians start giving out a lot of things here. That's just the way it works to get that vote. So thank you for joining me. Bye-bye now.